Let's talk about sharing. As you can see, this folder here has an icon of a person in it. That means it's shared versus this one over here is not shared with anybody. Let's say I want to share a folder. If I share a folder with someone, that means everything inside that folder they'll have access to. If I want them to only have access to a subfolder in the folder or a file in the folder, I would have to navigate to that one. But I'm going to go ahead and let them have access to the entire folder so they'll have access to everything within the folder. And it means I just share it once versus multiple times. So I would click on the share button and I would type in their name. Let's go ahead and pick this person here. And I'm going to go ahead and let them be an editor, which means they can organize, add, and edit files versus them just being able to view. And then I would go ahead and hit send. I can add a message if I want to. They can get an email if I have this box checked that has the message in it. And I'm going to go ahead and type in a message here and hit send. Let's take a look at sharing files or folders with multiple people, multiple emails. I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular folder here and I'm going to hit share. And I want to show you that currently it's already shared with one person, but I want to share it with more than one person. So I'm going to type in some names here of people and I'll go ahead and add some more people. I'll add one more. And if I leave this checked, it's going to send them an email notifying them that they've been invited. I can uncheck that if I want to, or I can leave that checked and I can add a message. Either way, when I'm done, if I want to make sure they're editors, I want to make sure it's on edit or editor. Or if I want them to only have view access, I can have them as a viewer, but I'm going to have them as editors. And if I want to go with editors can change permissions and shares, I can check or uncheck that and leave that checked, give them full access. And then when I'm done, I would hit share. There's a few ways you can actually share something. So if I click on a folder here, at the top I can see there's a share icon. I could click on that and share from there. If I right click on the actual folder, I can share. If I open a folder and I have content in the folder, for example here, I have the share icon up here at the top right. I can right click on the share option here. Or if I'm in a file or document or site, there's also share options in there. So for example, in this website right here, here's a share icon. So basically look for a person with a plus sign by it and you'll see various ways you can share files and folders with other people.